prototype on my back right now. Do a side view in the mirror. At least you can see it in the mirror. Right now I'm trying to get ready for this meeting tomorrow. It's kind of like the first time I'm revealing it. Trying to decide whether to get on the bus with it on my back. I don't really want any questions right now at the moment. So I'm trying to figure out if there's another way. The original idea I came up with was to fit it inside a luggage thing, but then I forgot that I designed it to be the size of luggage. So that's not going to work out so well. Yeah, so just getting ready though, it gives you a good idea. Getting a sense of scale. A lot of work left to do on it. We've been pumping out and cranking a lot of material, getting ready, for the next phase of, for V7, getting geared up, as well as doing some research on the other features that are going to be integrated, as well as getting ready for the AI Avatar X Prize competition. So we're really excited about that. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a brief update. We're going to see if we can fit it maybe in one of these duffel bags or something for the time being. Yeah.